let us see how to convert docx or docx file into Google Doc or the Google Doc environment. So if you see, I have a file name win dot. This is a docx file. If you see, I have the information in the file. Okay, I have that information in the file. So I want to convert that file into docx. So I have to first import that file into Google Drive. So I will import that file into the Google Drive. Okay, so I have imported that file. See, I have imported that file. Now I will open that file. See, win.docx. See, I am opening that file, and what I will do is, it's a very simple thing that I have to do. So file, see, this is the option, save as Google Docs. Save as Google Docs. So the file will be saved as the Google Doc file. Okay. So if I have this original file, you can go here and you can move that file to delete it, or you can remove that file. So this is the file which is available, is basically now the Google Doc format. This is the way in which the docx file or the Word file, you can convert it into the Google Docs type.